Hello everyone, I'm Siddharth Sherpa, back again with today's SST classes. So till yesterday we had completed the chapter. I think you all know that, yes? Chapter complete ho chuka hai. So today we will be discussing some multiple choice question related with this chapter. Is that clear? Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. I'll be calling you one by one, or even if you are interested, or even if you know the answer, you can raise the hand and you can come on the board, on the screen, and you can answer the question, okay? So let's start. The French Revolution and the MCQs. This is just a practice. The first question, the French Revolution is most important for having changed subject to citizen. This statement emphasizes the shift from. The French Revolution is important for having changed subjects to citizens. ये statement का मतलब क्या है कि religious traditions to secular value, divine right rule to people's participation in government, rural lifestyle to urban lifestyles, private property owners to government ownership. क्या चेंज देखने को मिला था? Anyone? Anyone can come on the board. Aryan? The French Revolution is the most important for having changed subjects to citizens. This state emphasizes the shift from. Okay, very good. यानी कि फ्रेंच में सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट किस पे चेंज हुआ था? That means you can say it changed from divine rule. Divine rule मतलब monarch to people's participation in government. Next question. Maximilian Robespierre and the Jacobins are best known for. Maximilian Robespierre और उनका जो जैकोबिन क्लब था बेस्ट नोन फॉर किसके लिए जाना था बेस्टली? कुमकुम? Reign of Terror. Is that clear? Is it correct, everyone? Huh? Correct. Very good. Maximilian Robespierre and the Jacobin clubs are best known for Reign of Terror. Instituting that means they were the one who started Reign of Terror. Which of these events related to the French Revolution occurred first? ये चार चीजें जो दिया गया है, चार चीजें फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में हुई है, घटना घटी है, तो ये इवेंट जो है चार, कौन सा पहले हुआ है? Which event occurred first? Napoleon became emperor of France, पहले हुआ था. Declaration of Rights of Man was issued, ये पहले हुआ था. या Louis XVI called the State General into session, ये हुआ था. या the Committee of Public led to the Reign of Terror, कौन सा? ऑप्शन सी, लुइस 16 के बाद ही ये सारा चीज होते गया. यानी जनरल स्टेट असेंबली बुलाई थी पहले, सबको पता है? यस. Which issue was a cause for the French Revolution? तन्मय? थर्ड स्टेट का मोर पॉलिटिकल पावर या आउटरीच ओवर द गिलोटाइन बाय द कमिटी ऑफ पब्लिक सेफ्टी, नेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ द चर्च, इनइफेक्टिव रूल ऑफ नेपोलियन. ये चार कारणों में से सब कौन सा कारण या कौन सा कॉज सही है फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन? ऑप्शन डी. यस, ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट answer because the third states wanted more political freedom. Is that clear? The primary cause of the French Revolution in 1789 was the 1789 में जो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हुआ उसमें प्राइमरी कॉज क्या था? Anyone? Okay, wait. Let's skip this question, okay? Options are a little bit incorrect. Let's skip this question. We'll move towards next question. Which one of the following day did storming of Bastille occur? Storming of Bastille कौन से दिन और कौन से तारीख को और किस साल में हुआ था? Anyone? Okay, Rajdeep. This is very easy question. Okay, 14 July 1789. Good. Next question. What did Bastille symbolize? Bastille किस चीज का चिन्ह या प्रतीक था? संजना? डेस्पोटिक पावर ऑफ द किंग. वेरी गुड. यानी कि किंग का एक प्रकार से जो एक दबदबा दिखाने का होता है ना, एक रूल, अपना पावर एक प्रकार से ये एक सिंबलाइज करता था, इसीलिए बैस्टिल को तोड़ा गया था. नेक्स्ट इज द 18th century French society was divided into. Okay, Tanya. Three state. First state, second state and third state. Very good. Which of the following constituted the privileged class? Privileged caste. Boys, किसान. प्रिविलेज्ड मतलब जिसको ज्यादा सहूलियत मिलता था. कौन से क्लास को ज्यादा सहूलियत मिलता था? क्लर्गी या पीजेंट्स? ये क्लर्गी मतलब चर्च, और यू कैन से क्लर्गी मीन्स चर्च एंड पीजेंट्स, एंड अदर वाज यू कैन सी. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. So as you all know, there were various sections in the society. Yes. So you can say first class, second class and third class. First class was mostly clergy, or you can say nobilities, and after that came the feudal lords, landlords, and third states were mostly peasants and small farmers, landless farmers. So what was the privilege? Can you tell the answer? Privilege क्या था? Privilege क्या मिलता था वो लोगों को? That privilege was they were exempted from paying taxes. They were such group that they did not pay taxes. छूट था वो लोगों को टैक्स देने का. तो वो टैक्स देने से कौन सी कास्ट को छूट, कौन सी क्लास को छूट था? मैंने आंसर तो बोल ही दिया है, अब तुमको ऑप्शन देख के लिखना है. ठीक है किसान? जस्ट वेट, द स्क्रीन इज ओपनिंग. Restore the last document. So where were we? This one, yes? No. Yes. We were here. Which of the following constituted the privileged class? Very good. Clergy and the nobility. अब देखो, क्लर्गी यहाँ पे सही है, लेकिन पीजेंट्स गलत है. यहाँ पे नोबिलिटी सही है, पीजेंट्स गलत है. फर्स्ट सही है, थर्ड स्टेट गलत है. बट दिस विल बी करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बिलीव्ड सोशल पोजिशन? समाज में लोगों का स्तर जो होना चाहिए, एक स्टेटस, किसके आधार पे होना है? मेरिट. ओके वैष्णवी कम. Okay, A or B? So write properly. Okay, very good. Middle class. So middle class was the section of society that emerged during the late 18th century, जहाँ पे नया क्लास आए हैं, मिडिल क्लास, जिसने क्या किया है, मतलब they started to fight for the rights of the people, especially for the third states. Society based on freedom, equal laws and opportunities was advocated by, यानी कि सोसाइटी फ्रीडम के आधार पे होना चाहिए, इक्वल लॉज के आधार पे होना चाहिए, अपॉर्चुनिटी तो सबको मिलना चाहिए, ये किसने कहा था? यार मिडिल क्लास एंड द पीपल ऑफ थर्ड स्टेट्स, क्लर्गी एंड नोबिलिटी, philosophers such as John Locke and Rousseau, Englishmen Georges Danton and Arthur. किसने किया? There are so many men. Shreya, you want to come? Come, Shreya. No. Okay, good, very good. Right answer. Okay, middle class and people of third state, don't get confused. Okay, सारे लोगों ने तो नहीं दिया था ना, सारे लोगों ने तो नहीं दिया था, तो they were advocated by various famous philosophers known as John Locke and Rousseau. Is that clear? Which of the following refuted the doctrine of divine and absolute right? Which philosopher? Okay, Sundaram. Very good. Option A, John Locke. Very good. Who was the king of France at the time of revolution? जब फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन हो रही थी उस समय राजा कौन थे? परवेज. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन ना. हाँ, लुइस 16. ये तो 14 हो गए ना. लुइस 16. वेरी गुड. Political body of France. Okay, come Rajkumar. Come Prince Rajkumar. No. Duma was of Russia. Lok Sabha is of India. What's the name? Alka. Go, Rajkumar. Okay, States General. Is that clear? It was later converted into National Assembly. After that, Convention. And after that, Directory. And here comes comes Napoleon. Okay, please. So where did the third states form and announce the National Assembly? National Assembly वो लोग ने कहाँ पे announce किया? Anyone? Come, Sohan. Very good. Indoor tennis court. Not Hall of Mirrors. It will be very good for girls. Hall of Mirrors. आईना देखने के लिए. Winter Palace is in Russia. Firoz Shah, it's in India. Firoz Shah कोटला जो दिल्ली में है. Indoor tennis court in the Palace of Versailles. तो ये क्या हुआ था जब वो लोग ने क्या किया था? Do you remember 21st जून में आए थे ना वापस? I'm forgetting the dates. जब वो लोग का राजा ने when Louis XVI did not or refused the condition put up by the third states, that was to give each and every member right to vote. The king refused, so the member of third states, they were represented by the middle class, refused it, and to protest the king, they left the palace of Versailles and again returned back on I think 21st June, I think 20th June, okay, 20th June. And what happened is that they took oath, they vowed that they won't leave the tennis court until and unless they draft a constitution for the country. जब तक फ्रांस के लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं बनाएंगे तब तक हम लोग नहीं छोड़ के जाएंगे भाई, यहीं पे रहना है, खंबा झंडा गाड़ लिए अब, ठीक है. दैट मीन्स इंडोर टेनिस कोर्ट इन वर्सल्स. शायद वहां पे पिक्चर भी दिया है तुम लोग के बुक में, फोटो पेंटिंग. द मेंबर्स ऑफ द थर्ड स्टेट्स वर लेड बाय अंश, जैसे कि मैं बता रहा हूं, जो रिवोल्ट चल रहा था उसको लीड करने का बात हो रहा है यहां पे. रिवोल्ट को आगे बढ़ाने का काम किसने किया, पहले ध्यान से समझो. हाँ, फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन समझे हो तो ये लुइस 16 एंड मैरी एंटोनेट, लेनिन एंड केरेंस्की, मिराबियो एंड अबिसियस, रोसुआ एंड वोलेटायर. विच विल बी सी? वेरी गुड, मिराबियो एंड अबिसियस. ओके, थैंक यू, दिस इज योर राइट आंसर. So remember that Mirabeau being from the first state, and he was I think a son of a landlord. Yes, he enjoyed every privilege, and Abisius was a priest. Even though he wrote influencing pamphlets about what is third state. A broken chain symbolized Anmol Tiwari. Anmol Pandey, Anmol Tiwari, yes. Broken, don't look, you come to the board, you read the question and you write the answers. Broken chain symbolized, हाँ वो broken chains का मतलब था फिटर, वो जो हम लोग लगा सकते हैं स्लेव को, लेकिन उसका मतलब क्या है? एक्ट ऑफ बिकमिंग फ्री. ब्रोकन मतलब टूटा हुआ, तो याद है, इसलिए ध्यान से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. हम पढ़ने के लिए नहीं आएंगे सब समय. ओके, ब्रोकन चेन्स, वी हैड लर्नड अबाउट इट एंड वी हैड डिस्कस्ड अबाउट ऑल दीज सिंबल्स यूज्ड इन फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन. ओके, व्हाई वर दोज सिंबल्स यूज्ड इज दैट, यू कैन गो. व्हाई वर दोज सिंबल्स यूज्ड इज दैट बिकॉज ऑल द, like yesterday before ending the conclusion, revolution and the everyday life में हम लोग ने देखा था, all the peoples were not educated. To make them understand, no prints were used. Yes, prints were used. So वही चीज बेटा कि अब लिबर्टी फैटर्निटी का आइडिया फैलाने के, अब जब प्रेस का एबोलिशन ऑफ सेंसरशिप हो गया तो लोगों का आसान हो गया, लेकिन पहले भी ऐसे चीजों का सिंबलाइज करना बहुत जरूरी था, क्योंकि लोग पिक्चर को देख के कुछ सीख सकते हैं, जो पढ़ लिख नहीं सकते उसको देख के समझ सकते हैं, इसीलिए सिंबल्स वेर मेड. Which of the following symbolized eternity, never ending, infinite? Okay, Rajdeep. Anyone, please be active. Who is behind you, Aryan? Ankit will come after this. Snake biting a tail. There was a snake. ऐसा ही कुछ था ना? Somewhat like snake biting a tail. A circle, the one of the most important thing and one of the most important thing about circle is that it never has an end or it never has a beginning. So it continues. समय भी बताता है ये. Is that clear? So Ankit, can you do the next question? Please come on the board. Which of the following were the national colors of France? Okay, blue, white and red. Blue, white and red. You can say red, white and blue from this side. Okay, next question. National anthem of France. What's his name? I am forgetting his name. Amit. Yes, Amit. Please. You are just looking at the board. Okay, he was the one who wrote the national anthem. So I am, sorry sir, D, okay. Yes, take it. नेशनल एंथम ऑफ फ्रांस पूछा गया है, ये नहीं पूछा गया है कि नेशनल ऑफ फ्रांस किसने लिखा था. ओके, गो. मेंबर्स ऑफ जैकोबिन क्लब्स वे नोन एज. Okay, Riya, come. Nisu, you want to come? Okay, let Nisu come. Raise your hand properly. Okay, Shreya. Okay. San Clotos. Now, what kind of dress was San Clotos? Okay, you may go. Very good. San Clotos, striped full pants, long striped full pants, wearing red caps that symbolized freedom, liberty. Is that clear? So San Clotos, Jacobins, they were. San Clotos का मतलब ही होता है कि एक प्रकार से the person without knee breeches. Yes. French legacy to the world. Legacy. लेगेसी, विरासत में क्या मिला फ्रांस को, या फ्रांस का विरासत क्या है. ओके, वेरी गुड. लिबर्टी, फ्रीडम एंड इक्वालिटी. सो दिस इज लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडेज क्लासेस. सो रिया विल डू इट without asking the question. This is a little bit tough one. Let's see. Division of power within the government was put forth in बहुत सारे बुक है, फिलोसोफर्स ने मध्य डिवीजन ऑफ पावर कौन से बुक में किया गया था? No, 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 no.
The social contract.
No, 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 no. Don't get confused. When we, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, B, the spirit of laws. Is that clear? So I knew this question would make confusion. I knew it. Division of powers with the government was put forth in the spirit of laws. So I hope we almost covered more than 20 questions. Yes, I think more than 20. So if you are having any problems related to the questions, so I'll try to, the next questions will be coming tomorrow, not in the board, but in your apps as a test. Okay? Not today, tomorrow. So before moving, before ending the class, tomorrow we will have a small doubt session regarding this class. In that doubt session also I will be raising question, not multiple choice questions, but descriptive type. I won't make you all write on the board, but I want the answers from your side. Till now I have asked in each and every class that whether you are having doubt or not. Every time you all say we don't have doubt, sir. I'll ask various questions related to the chapter. So till then, thank you, stay safe, stay healthy.